So how did they create the hatred in a very perfectly harmonious society? They first divide you to different class, okay? And then they starting telling you stories. The land reform plot. Step 2 is mobilize poor peasants and incite anger, resentment, and violence. Much of the damage is not causing by Communist Party member because it's only a small number compared with the 300 million peasants, poor peasants, okay? So if the 300 million poor peasants are mobilized, they sure are gonna do a damage to the society. If they all gone out and riots, just can you think about Black Lives Matters? If 300 million of you gone on street and protest and killing and kicking and screaming, that's gonna be the end of the day. That's what they did in China. Okay, so publicly disclosure of class status. So on the picture you see 2 black and white photos, and people, the poor peasants, are pointing finger at the rich, someone classified as rich landlords, and they are attending a meeting. It's called Speak Bitterness Meetings or Trials. The peasants would publicly recounting the abuse they had suffered at the hands of evil landlords. Okay, so they lash out their anger to the perpetrators. Okay, and both pictures are showing you that. In the Communist Party archive, there's a records talking about this, talking about the communists needs to arouse emotion. You know, anger is very powerful, just like love and compassion. They're both powerful. Here, it's a quote. It says, cooperate with the propaganda teams to enter each village and use popular script. I will show you the script. To write out a broad outline of our policy. Our policy means the CCP's policy. Make everyone hate the bandits and evil tyrants until each and every one of them clenches their teeth in anger. This is from One County Party Committee. Summary of the mass movement. Okay, so how do they start mass? They don't have television. They can't bombard it with you on websites. They don't have Facebook. They don't have internet. How do they do that? They wrote a script. They put on plays, opera. Okay, they visited village by village. They hire the cadre, the Chinese Communist Party members, brainwashing them, training them, telling fake stories. And how they get how the Chinese Communist Party engage, how well they perform in their job, depends how riled up these masses are.